Lisa DeHart here, 3 Minutes with a Maine Guide. And because there is no canoe manufacturer in the world you can walk into and say, sell me your best polling boat, we're going to show you how to pick a good one. Canoes that are typically 16 and 17 feet long make a good polling boat. You want a classic deep V entry, classic wilderness canoe tripping lines, nice flat bottom boat. But because there's exceptions to every rule, here's how you tell if you have a good polling boat. You take your pole, you do a nice pole plant, run your hands up that pole, nice forward track in a straight line, doing a great job. When you lift that pole out and recover it to take another pole plant, if you look in that boat that was tracking a straight line is only off by about less than 5 degrees, that's a good polling boat. If you put that pole plant in, you tracked a really nice straight line, you recovered that pole, and you looked in that bow of that canoe is like here, that is not a good polling boat. Let's break it down to just making the canoe pole in a straight line. You're going to drop this pole behind your hip. You're going to hear it hit the bottom. You're going to bend your knees, move your hand up that pole, give a nice strong forward stroke. Keep that pole as close to the boat as you can, and then it's a huge rudder. The pole's going to be behind you, your eyes are going to be forward, and you're going to use this as a huge rudder to track a straight line. Now, when you pull this pole out of the water, whether it's a pool cue recovery or you simply put your hand on the top and pop it out of the water, it has got to come straight up out of the water. If it comes out of the water off to the side, you're going to move the motion of the boat. So when you get home, just practice the simple forward track in a straight line. Your eyes are here, the pole's behind you, and it's ruddering and feeling, and when it's tracking a straight line, bring it forward, take your next plant, and rudder it out. Okay, some things that will help you when you're learning, they help me. Weight in the bow. Every ship that sailed here sailed with ballast. A lot of people think I can't handle a canoe by myself. It's not just better because you have a bow paddler, it's better because there's weight in the bow. It sinks it, it settles it, it makes it more stable, especially in a rapid. Easiest thing to do is just an empty, clean gas can, fill it with the river water, stick it in the bow, and when you're done, dump it out and carry it up to the car empty. 2 poles, because you can only go back for a pole with another pole. And I always used to keep the bow line coiled right in front of me. So if anything happened, I could reach out and grab it, and I had a hold of my boat. I'm Lisa DeHart. You just spent 3 minutes with a Maine Guide.